day, all four of them went in different directions to look for food. By evening, they used to meet at the same spot. Everything continued the same way for a few days. Then, one day, the deer didn't return in the evening. Due to this, the other three friends started getting worried.
The sun has almost set. Why hasn't the deer yet returned?
He never got this much late.
Yes, he should have been back by now.
We must go and look for him.
Yes, let's go and search him.
No, not you two. Only I will go. I can fly. Thus, I will have a wider view and will be able to spot him quickly.
The crow took off to search the deer. After wandering for a while, the crow heard a voice. He gazed down at the ground and saw the deer is trapped in a net. Seeing his friend in a dreary condition, he immediately went down to him. "Dear friend, just help me get out of here."
You don't worry. Let me think of something.
Without wasting time, he flew back to the turtle and the rat who were waiting for him. The crow narrated them the whole situation.
What are you saying? A hunter!
Yes, a hunter has trapped the deer. Before the hunter returns, Rat, my friend, come with me and gnaw the trap with your sharp teeth.
The crow and the rat reached the spot.
Gnaw this net, my friend.
The rat quickly gnawed the net and the deer was freed. The turtle also reached there.
Are you okay, my friend?
"Yes, I'm fine. All of you saved me." Then suddenly, the hunter returned to the spot and saw the deer free. The rat saw the hunter. "Oh my God! The hunter is here! Run, run!" Seeing the hunter came closer, all of them started to flee. The crow flew away. The rat ran for the nearest hole. The deer sprinted inside the bushes. The turtle, however, could neither run nor hide. The hunter caught the turtle, put him in a sack, and took him away. After some time, the deer, the rat, and the crow gathered at one place. They were very sad about the turtle being captured. "In order to save my life, turtle got captured."
I have a trick through which the turtle can be saved.
How?
The hunter is alone and we are three. He hasn't reached the river yet.
The crow explained them his trick and how it has to be executed. "That's a brilliant idea. Let's go now." When they